Laughing and having fun. Narrator, are you ready to take your child's playtime adventures to the next level? Introducing the 24V Ride-On Toys for Big Kids, the ultimate ride-on vehicle that will bring excitement and joy to your little ones. Cut to a close-up of the licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride-on cars in pink. Narrator, this ride-on toy is perfect for big kids who are ready to explore the great outdoors in style. With its sleek design and impressive features, this ride-on truck is sure to be a hit with children of all ages. Cut to a shot of the ride-on toy in action, zooming around a backyard. Narrator, let's take a closer look at some of the main benefits and features of this amazing ride-on toy. The 24V battery ensures long-lasting playtime, while the four-wheeler suspension system provides a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. Cut to a shot of the LED lights illuminating the front of the ride-on toy. Narrator, the LED lights not only add a cool factor to the toy, but also provide added safety for nighttime play. And with Bluetooth capability, your child can listen to their favorite tunes while cruising around the neighborhood. Cut to a shot of a child driving the ride-on toy using the remote control. Narrator, not only can your child drive the ride-on toy themselves, but parents can also take control using the remote control feature. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your child is safe and secure while playing. Cut to a shot of the ride-on toy being used in various scenarios on pavement, grass, and gravel. Narrator, whether your child is tearing up the pavement, navigating through grassy fields, or conquering gravel paths, this ride-on toy can handle it all. Its durable construction and powerful motor make it suitable for all types of terrain. Cut to a comparison shot of the licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride-on car next to a competitor's ride-on toy. Narrator, when compared to other ride-on toys on the market, the licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride-on car stands out for its superior quality, design, and performance. Your child will be the envy of the neighborhood with this top-of-the-line ride-on truck. Cut to a shot of a parent sharing a tip about the ride-on toy. Parent, my kids absolutely love their ride-on toy. It's easy to use, safe, and provides hours of entertainment. I would highly recommend it to any parent looking to add some excitement to their child's playtime. The ride-on toy. Narrator, real-life examples like these show just how much fun your child can have with the 24V Ride-On Toys for Big Kids. With its impressive features and versatile design, this ride-on toy is sure to bring endless joy to your little ones. Closing shot of the licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride-on cars in pink. Narrator, so why wait? Give your child the gift of adventure and fun with the 24V Ride-On Toys for Big Kids today. Click the link below to order yours now and watch your child's imagination soar. End with a strong call to action. Narrator, don't miss out on this opportunity to make your child's playtime dreams come true. Order the licensed Ford Bronco Raptor 2-seater ride-on car today and prepare for hours of excitement and adventure.